I'm available for all sort of mylab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, accounting and statistics, problems solved.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML1 Housing Cost. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, mylab accounting, mylab finance, mylab Excel, mylab Word, mylab PowerPoint, writing economics, assess, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, let's start our assignment. We will select this title, increase the font size for a proper view in my video. Then I will highlight this. You can read easily. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML1 Mid-Level 1 Housing Cost. Okay. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will select this complete instruction file. Then I will increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video, and my all student will be read easily in my video. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Okay, open the file name. Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Mid-Level 1 Homework Housing Cost. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson itlab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal, your Blackboard portal and your colleges and universities portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I am going to opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. First we will click on enable editing button. Then we are able to start this assignment and we are able to work on this Excel workbook. Okay, question number 2 is that assign the range name B9 base, B15 interior, B21 exterior, B23 last. First is that we will assign the range name on cell B9 base. We will click on cell B9 in Excel workbook and then we will assign the range name is base. Okay, press enter. Now we will click on cell B15, then we will assign the name to interior. Okay, assign the range name for cell B15 interior. We will copy this or we will type. Okay, we will click on cell B15. Now we will assign the range name in interior. The next is that we will have to assign the range name for cell B21 exterior. Exterior name for cell B23. Click on cell B23 and then we'll assign the name is exterior. Okay, the last is that we will have to assign a range name for cell B23 lot. Copy and click on cell B23, then we will have to assign a range name for cell B23 lot. Okay, assign the range name. Okay, this question is done now. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 3. Enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. The total estimated cost is the sum of the base house price B9, total interior upgrade B15, total exterior upgrade B21 and lot fee B23. Be sure to use range names in the formula. Basically in this question we will have to enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. Okay, we will click on cell B23 25, press is equal to, and then we will have to enter a formula in cell B25. Okay, press is equal to in cell B25. Now we will enter a sum function. We will have to find total estimated cost, then we will enter various total, we will must enter sum function into base house price total interior upgrade plus total interior upgrade plus total exterior upgrade. Okay, click on cell B9 plus B15 plus B21 total exterior upgrade and plus lot fee in cell B23. Okay, we will press enter. It will be find total estimated cost in cell B25. You can see this formula. We will enter sum function into base house price plus total interior upgrade plus total exterior upgrade plus lot fee. Then we will press enter. Then it will be find total estimated cost in cell B25. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost goal of $350,000. Okay, we will go to the data tab and then we will use goal seek to determine. Okay, we will click on cell B25, go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button, click on goal seek. Total value is $350,000. $350,000. $350,000. Okay. Okay, we will click on OK. Goal seek will be 1 second. By changing cell is total square footage B4. Sorry, B7 is total square footage B7. Click on OK button. This is good now. Now we will move on next question. You can see this goal seek is added. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. Question number 5. Enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in the increment of 200 in the range D6 to D15. Apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. You can read this question. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. And I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Okay. I am doing question number 5 of this assignment. You can read this question, then I will apply on my Excel workbook. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Okay, the first point of this question is that, no, this is the second point. Now first point is that enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in increment of 200 in the range D6 to D15. First we will select this range D6 to D16. First we will enter 1800 in cell D6. Sorry, 1800, not 1000. Remove 1 0. Okay. Now 36 in the increment of 200 in the range D6 to D15. Now we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill series button. We will click on column checkbox. We will type here 200 and stop value is 200, stop value is 3600. We will click on OK button. Okay. Now apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. We will select this. Go to the home tab. In the font colors, we will apply blue font color. Okay. In the number group, and we will apply comma style. Okay. Comma style with 0 decimal places. Set on 0 decimal places. Now we will move on. Next question. Question number 6. Enter a reference to the base house price in cell E5 and a reference to the total estimated cost in cell F5. We will simply enter a reference on these two cells. We will click on cell E5 and then we will click on press is equal to cell E5 and then click on base house price in cell B9, then press enter. Okay, then we will click on cell F5 and then enter a reference to the enter a reference to the total estimated cost. Click on cell F5, press is equal to reference to the total estimated cost, press enter. This is so good. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 7. Complete the single variable data table in range D5 to F15. Be sure to use total square footage as the column input. Apply custom number format to display base cost in cell E5 and total cost in cell F5. Apply these formats to the headings, bold, center and blue font color. Okay. Complete the single variable data table D5 to F15. Okay, we will select this range first on our Excel workbook and then we will complete the single variable data table. Okay, D5 to F15, go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button, click on data table. Okay. Column input cell is total square footage in cell B7. Click on OK button. It will be completed single variable data table. Now apply a custom number format to display base cost in cell E5. The next point of this question is that we will have to add a custom number format on these three cells. E5, F5. Okay, we will click on cell E5 and then we will go to the home tab. In the number group, click on number launcher box, go to the custom, go to the general. We will remove this general. In inverted commas, we will type base cost custom number format. We will click on OK button. Custom number format is added in cell E5 base cost. Now we will have to add a second custom number format in cell F5 total cost. Click on cell F5, go to the home tab. In the number group, we will open number launcher box, go to the custom, go to the general and remove this and then enter inverted commas and we will type total cost and close total cost in inverted commas. Click on OK button. Okay, you can see in cell F5 custom number format is added. The custom number format is total cost. Now we will move on the last point of this question. Apply these formats to headings, bold, center and blue font colors. We will select this both and go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold, go to the font color Go to the alignment and place center the alignment, and font color is blue font color. Okay, I have done 7 questions in my video. Total question of this assignment is 16. I have done 50 to 60% assignment in my